Hey, good afternoon. This is Neil, Simpler Futures at Simpler Trading, and it's Thursday, the end of November, the 30th. Tomorrow is 1st of December. You will not have a non-farm payroll report tomorrow. That will be on December the 8th. However, you do get to hear from Powell tomorrow, and that might be interesting. We'll see. But Powell speaks tomorrow. See if that gives us a little volatility. What I do know is that, as you can see here, these are daily candles, this daily chart. We've been sideways here for a couple of weeks. And the over-under for that is the point of control at 45.65. Appears to have somewhat of a little overhead at 75 and certainly maybe a little bit of support at about 55. But it's certainly choppy all in and about and around, and all roads lead to, until they don't, but still do, 45.65. So there's your over-under. Now, if you want to be bullish, and I'm not saying it's not, I'm just saying that I'm not real excited about participating to the long side at the tip edge of a 10% move, 500 off of the recent low at 4,100, and here we are at 4,600 almost. But if you want to be bullish from here, then use 45.65 as the over-under and target 46.10 and 46.32. That comes by way of like this little tip right there at 10, and then this guy right up here at like 32. So you'll have 46.10 and 32 as your upside targets. I'm not real interested in being long up here at these levels. I'm much more interested in the bullish kind of overall, but yet from some kind of a breather, right? And we haven't had any kind of a breather yet, and so it's very frustrating because I'm trying to wait for an opportunity, and I really thought I was going to get it today, to be honest with you, when it came into about 45, but I'm looking for it to come back to 45.20 is where I'm really looking for it back at. I mean, minimum. That's minimum. I mean, that's just I'd be willing to have a look at that, but if you snap a fib from the low of this move to the high, just a simple 236 retrace is at 44.84, 44.85, which is, I would think that's reasonable, but we'll see. 45.20 at minimum though, and that's simply not been available as a price yet in terms of retracement. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to help you, kind of understand, where I am. I've got plenty of swing longs on, and I'll let them play out into the end and beyond, actually, the end of the year. But, if you got cash that you're looking to do something with, I'm not interested in putting it to work at the top edge of a move that just rallied 10% off a recent low. I mean, there's got to be some retracement to earn my kind of participation in that, and that's not here. So that's maybe that does not describe you though, and you just want to see continuation, and that's fine. That's why I'm trying to give you, your lean long against, and that's 65, and into targets 46, 10, and 32. If I get what I'm looking for, I'll be looking to get long down here at about 45.20. So that's what I got. Hopefully it helps. In a month today, first of month tomorrow. Powell speaks tomorrow. ISM manufacturing tomorrow too, so it's a little bit of news as well. And wish you good trading. Hopefully this may help and you find some good trading tomorrow, and come see us if you wish. We're doing this live all day, every day in the trade room at Simpler Futures. And other than that, I'll see you in the next update. Good night.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me